We are going to discuss about the circle. Dear student, in our daily life we see many examples of circle like the wheel of our vehicles, a coin or bangles, etc. There are many more examples when we can say this is a circle, and there are a lot of problems with which we deal in our daily life. Okay, when we talk about the circle, then how can we make a circle? With the help of a rounder, by fixing its one leg at a fixed point, we draw a figure, we round it and draw a figure like this, and we say this is a circle. But when we go for its actual definition, then what we can say, we will plot some points on the circle like these are that points A, B, C, D, and there are a lot of points we can draw on this circle. We can say that there are infinite points on this circle. Now come to the point, when we see from this fixed point the distance of A, distance of B, distance of C, distance of D, etc., these all distances are equal, then we can define the circle by, the circle is a collection of point, the circle is a collection of point points which are equidistant from a fixed point, that is called circle, that is called circle. So circle, actually the circle is a collection of point which is equidistant from a fixed point. And now what is this fixed point? This fixed point is called center of circle. What is this fixed point? This fixed point is called center of circle. Now another term associate with this circle, the distance around this circle, that is called circumference of this circle. Circumference of this circle. Now if we talk about OA, OB, OC, all are equal, OA equal, OB equal, OD or OC, all are equal. These are called radius of circle. Radius of circle. We can define the radius of circle, the distance between the center of circle and point on the circle, that is called radius of circle. Now another term associated with this circle is, if we take 2 points on the circle, let that point are A and B. If we take 2 points on this circle and then join the points, then the line which we obtain, that is called chord of circle. The line joining 2 points on the circle is called chord of circle. Another term, let 2 points A and B, then the length of this line between A and B, that is called arc, that is called arc of circle. Now the arc also can be divided into 2 parts. The distance between A and B, that is called minor arc, and from this side this is a larger distance, that is called major arc. major arc. Now after these terms, when we plot 2 point A and B, then join that point, then we see the region between this minor arc and this chord AB. Then we can say the region between the arc and chord, that is called segment. This is called segment. Segment have also two types. We can say that AB is a minor arc and AB is a chord. Then the region between this is called minor segment. And the region between the chord and major arc, that is called major segment. These are some basic terminology related to the circles.